Want to turn simple book ideas into real passive income on Amazon without writing a single word? Well, that's exactly what KDP Marketing Mastery promises to do. In this video, I'll show you what's inside, how it works, and how you can get my exclusive $25,000 bonus bundle if you grab it through the link below. Let's dive in. So here's my quick take. KDP Marketing Mastery is hands down one of the most beginner-friendly systems I've seen for building income with Kindle Direct Publishing. You don't need to be an author, a designer, or even a marketer. If you can follow simple steps and copy what works, this can help you start earning within days. That said, it's not some get-rich-quick scheme. You'll still need to take action. All right, let's break it down. KDP Marketing Mastery is a complete step-by-step video course that shows you how to create, publish, and profit from low-content and no-content books on Amazon KDP. Think notebooks, journals, planners, puzzle books, all the kinds of books that sell every day without you having to write long content. It's designed for beginners who want to earn online but don't have any tech skills, big budgets, or previous experience. And the best part, you'll also learn how to market your books using simple free traffic strategies, including YouTube Shorts and Pinterest, so you can start getting organic sales fast. Once you log in, this is your KDP Marketing Mastery dashboard. You'll see a clean layout with step-by-step training modules. The course starts with the basics, setting up your KDP account, finding profitable niches, and designing your first low-content book using free tools like Canva. Then it dives into publishing secrets, how to optimize your book title, description, and keywords for maximum visibility. Next, it covers traffic and sales. This is where the marketing magic happens. You'll learn how to use YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Pinterest to drive free traffic to your books every day. Each video is short, actionable, and easy to follow, so you can literally follow along and build your first book as you watch. Now, KDP Marketing Mastery also comes with a few optional upgrades, and they're worth checking out. OTO 1, Done For You Templates Pack. Get ready-made KDP book designs you can publish instantly, around $37. OTO 2, Advanced Traffic Accelerator, teaches advanced paid and organic traffic methods to scale faster, around $67. OTO 3, Reseller Rights License, lets you resell KDP Marketing Mastery and keep 100% of the profits, around $97. You don't need the upgrades to succeed, but they can speed up your results big time. All right, here's where it gets exciting. When you grab KDP Marketing Mastery through the link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus vault loaded with premium tools, software, and training to 10x your results. Here's a quick look at what's inside. KDP Profit Booster Toolkit, ready-to-use keyword and niche research templates for Amazon. AI Book Description Writer, generate high-converting book descriptions in seconds. Canva Book Template Pack, 100+ editable KDP interiors ready to customize. Pinterest Traffic Explosion Course, drive endless free traffic from Pinterest. YouTube Shorts Mastery, learn how to get viral traffic from short videos. Amazon SEO Masterclass, rank your books faster on Amazon search. List building secrets, build an email list from your readers to sell more books. Book cover design secrets, how to create stunning covers that sell. AI Content Profit System, use AI tools to create and repurpose book content. Private access to my affiliate marketing vault, tools, plugins, and training worth over $10,000. And remember, these bonuses are only available for the next 48 hours or until the first 25 buyers claim them. Once they're gone, they're gone. To wrap up, KDP Marketing Mastery is perfect if you've been struggling to start an online business or make your first dollar online. It's simple, low cost, and actually doable for anyone. You get full training, traffic strategies, and done-for-you resources to get results fast. Plus, my exclusive bonus pack will give you a massive edge over everyone else. But don't wait too long. Bonuses expire in 48 hours, or when the 25 slots are filled. So click the first link in the description right now to secure your copy and all your bonuses before they disappear. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about KDP Marketing Mastery. Once you purchase, your bonuses will be delivered automatically inside Warrior Plus, or just reach out with your receipt to get instant access. Thanks for watching. Now go grab your copy of KDP Marketing Mastery and start building your passive income empire today.